So here we go.
Here we are using Aveda's All Sensitive Moisturizer. And here we are gently applying Burt's Bees Sensitive Eye Cream to my sensitive under eyes. And now we're using a Dollar Tree brand primer to counteract redness. So yes, guys, I paid only $1 for this. Now I'm using Hard Candy's palette. They don't come with names because, yet again, it's a knockoff brand from Walmart. This is Master Prime by Maybelline, New York. It is to prime my eyelids to get ready for the glitter. And now it's foundation time. I'm using Maybelline Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And mind you guys, this video only took me about 7 minutes to complete because it really does not take me very long to do my makeup. I believe this is Revlon, some form of yellow under eye concealer. Helps make me look more awake, helps hide darkness, because I always have dark circles. This that I'm using now is a very, very old, probably, I've had this for about 3 years, a contour pencil by NYX. I literally have no idea if they even make them anymore. I want you to listen. 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 I have to grab a towel because I am wearing a black shirt and I do not want to get this loose powder all over my black shirt. This is just air spun translucent powder. Again, from Walmart. And now a little bit of the blush. I prefer to use a gel or cream eyeliner with a brush. It helps get a more precise line when doing a wing, I believe. It's a little hard to get used to at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's easy. Sometimes I curl my lashes before putting on mascara. Honestly though, most of the time I don't because I really don't see a difference. I'm using Scandaleyes mascara. I tend not to wear fake eyelashes unless I do fantasy makeup, just because they are heavy on my eyes and my eyelashes are naturally pretty long. I've been out of a brow gel recently, so I've been using a brown mascara, and it does does make them appear a little darker than what I prefer, but it's okay. Blend, 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 blend. Here I'm using an Aveda Nourishment lip gloss. It's kind of alright. I just really put it on because I didn't feel like putting a color on today. Okay guys, that was getting ready for work with me, Nayology. If you enjoyed the video, click the thumbs up button. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel and join the notification squad by turning on the post notifications bell. And that's it for now. I gotta go to work. Bye!